Well, this story is back in the spotlight, and with it, a wave of claims, denials, and viral content. Some voices say new information is emerging, others say the allegations are unfounded. So instead of jumping to conclusions, we're going to look at what's actually confirmed, what's being claimed, and how stories like this spread online. Because in moments like this, how the story travels can matter just as much as the story itself. The Lego guys are at it again. Let's see what they've got to say.
A witness just gave a full interview to journalists Nina Burley and Katie Chenoweth. The First Lady's approval rating hit historic lows according to CNN polling data. Amanda Ungaro is speaking from Brazil after being deported. And the Epstein story is back in the headlines. All claims are attributed, all denials are included. Here's what happened.
A witness spoke and journalists published the interview.
Approval ratings hit the floor, historic lows.
In full review,
Ungaro said
she's willing to testify
before the oversight committee.
The Epstein story's back again.
Every claim attributed
In this city.
Yeah. Journalist Nina Burley and Katie Chenoweth published a new interview with Amanda Ungaro, a former model from Brazil now in public view. Ungaro answered questions via messaging platform from where she resides. After being deported from the United States, both sides provide their side. She claims she first had contact with Paolo Zampali around age 15. Zampali disputes some of these characterizations of what that relationship would mean. Zampali founded a modeling agency called ID. Models based in New York. He recruited young women from Eastern Europe and Brazil for modeling work. He is credited as the man who introduced Melania to Donald Trump at a New York Fashion Week event in 1998. That connection is the jump. Zampali currently holds the title of Special Envoy for Global Partnerships, a diplomatic role in the current Trump administration.
That's the relationship.
Ungaro and Zampali were in a relationship for approximately 20 years. They share a teenage son and attended both Trump inaugurations as peers. She told the journalist that Melania knows what she claims to have. Witness says she saw what she describes as highly compromising interactions. Her words are listed. Ungaro states she is willing to testify before the House Oversight Committee. That is her stated position as reported in the published interview. Specifically, Zampali denies all allegations and says accusations against it are fabricated. He has posted publicly that he is being harassed. That denial is clearly stated. Melania gave a surprise statement from the White House the week before, denied any meaningful connection to Epstein or Maxwell, and called reports false at the core. The time and the line with Ungaro's public posts on social media that same day. But whether Melania was directly responding to Ungaro has not been confirmed either way.
A witness spoke and journalists published the interview.
Approval ratings hit the floor.
Historic lows in full review.
Ungaro says
She's willing to testify
before the Oversight Committee.
The Epstein story's back again.
Every claim attributed
In this city.
CNN senior data analyst Terry Hinton presented favorability numbers on air. Melania's net favorability dropped to -12, the lowest for a first lady to compare. At this point in the presidency, no modern first lady has pulled this low on record. Michelle Obama stood at +42, Laura Bush at +46, both way above the standard. Hillary Clinton was at +25, Nancy Reagan at +50 on the chart. Even Jill Biden measured during the first term was above water from the start. Hinton called the numbers absolutely awful and historically unprecedented on the segment. Said she's breaking records in the way you don't want to break them. That's what he meant. Amazon spent an estimated $40 million on rights and $35 million marketing. The film combined theatrical box office, domestic and international, fell in the low to mid-teens. Looking grim, Hinton said a lot of people saw the documentary as political, even if unintended. The financial data paired with the polling data shows a public image that has descended. Ungaro told Brazilian outlet O Globo she flew on Epstein's plane around age 16. I'm 17, from Paris to New York with the agent Jean-Luc Brunel. She described young women on the scene. She states she never saw Epstein again. After that, single reported flight, but her 2-decade relationship
Zampali,
kept her in the Trump orbit type. The New York Times reported that Zampali contacted a senior ICE official last June during the custody dispute over their son. That's the reporting from the newsroom.
Zampali denies
Requesting any intervention, DHS denied.
political motivation in the case.
Ongaro was detained on expired visa and fraud charges.
In deported,
Those are the facts in place.
Epstein survivor.
Enough Scotty, Georgia, responded publicly after Trump spoke on the tarmac. Trump referred to the survivors as the victims, or whatever, who refused to testify. She pushed back.
The judge says she attended a private meeting with Congress the previous September.
She stated publicly
She is willing
to testify under oath.
and wants the public.
So where does that leave us? With a mix of confirmed statements, ongoing claims, a lot of noise in between. In today's media environment, it's easy for narratives to become faster than verification, especially when they're wrapped in viral content. The real question is, are we reacting to what's proven or to what's being repeated? Take a second look. Look at the sources and decide for yourself. Did this man use his influence with the president to get his wife deported because he wanted to keep his kid and kick her out of the country? Don't you think a man with money like that is so close to the president could have kept his wife here? There's other people doing it. If it doesn't make you think, then just roll over and keep sleeping, because there's a lot going on and it's not stopping. So I'll say, like I've said before, thanks for watching. There's a lot more coming because they're doing a lot more crap.